Hi, ladies and gentlemen, this is to kind of give you a walkthrough on how to do the dry bulb and wet bulb practice problems here to help you find the dew point temperature as well as the relative humidity. So you will be given the dry bulb temperature as well as the wet bulb. And the first thing you need to do is get the wet bulb depression, which essentially all we need to do is subtract these two numbers. So 18 minus 14 gives us 4. So we will fill in the wet bulb depression as 4. And we're going to use the dry bulb and the wet bulb depression to help us answer this question. So we go to the dry bulb temperature. We take that down all the way down this column to 18. There we go. 18 is right here. Then we use our wet bulb depression, and we take that up to here. So because it's 4, we go 1, 2, 3 to 4, which is right here. And then what we do is we match up the numbers. So we go over from 18, down from 4, and our number happens to be 11. So the dew point temperature is indeed 11 degrees Celsius. And essentially what that means is that in order for this air mass to be saturated, to reach 100% humidity, the air mass has to cool from 18 degrees to 11 degrees. Now, in order to find the relative humidity, we do the same exact thing. And I'm going to insert a picture real quick that will show you exactly what to do. So we will open, we will insert. And again, this table is for relative humidity. And I'm just going to put it right over top of it because it is the same exact thing here. So again, same deal. We do the dry bulb. We go down to 18. We look at the wet bulb depression. We go over to 4, and we drop down, and that number is 64%. So that means that it is only 64% relative humidity versus if it were to cool to 11 degrees, it would be 100%. All right, so that is the crash course on how to figure out the dew point and the relative humidity based on the dry bulb temperature and the wet bulb depression.